Take a walk and look for all the different textures you can find. Explore and discover your garden or green space and see what you can find. If it's your garden, you can touch and use some lovely words to describe what you can feel. Is it rough or smooth, hard or soft? Why not explore the paths, the mosses, the leaves, tree bark, walls, wooden fences? There's lots and lots to explore. Well, that's an interesting stepping stone amongst the leaves, and look at the lovely mosses that you can explore and discover. Even the shed can be interesting. Ooh, what's that? Walls can have some brilliant textures too. Now grab some wax crayons and paper. We're going to make some rubbings of the fantastic textures that we've found in the garden. When you're out for a walk, see what you can spot and pick up that nature's left behind. There's still plenty around at this time of year. You might see leaves, pine cones, you might see feathers, bits of bark, all sorts of things. See what interesting patterns you can spot and what textures you can see. You might even want to take some photos. Here are some of the things I've picked up. There's a feather. Some dead leaves I found on the ground. Oak leaves they are. Some nice old bark that's got really nice texture to it, although it's a bit wet. There's lots and lots of different kinds of leaves, all different shapes and sizes, that all feel very different too. There's some ivy leaves. Now you can take them home and make some more rubbings. Use the underside of the leaf because that's got more texture to it. You'll get a better pattern. Why not cut out your rubbings and make a picture? I've made a hedgehog here. You can also use kitchen foil to make some rubbings. Just use your fingers to do the rubbing and then cut them out and make some nice hangings and decorations.